So what do you want? We want all the money in this bank. Now, he's welding it open. We'll be making sure you don't get out. I better hide. Again. Oops, I grabbed the chair. Huh? Where'd the chair go? Doesn't matter. Kid probably took it.
Again.
I can't get it open, boss.
What? You won't overheat. The torch isn't hot enough.
Try climbing over it. No, wait. Try jackhammering it.
And then hit you with a
We
shovel.
left the jackhammer in the car and the police are surrounding the building.
No, you didn't. I brought them in the bags.
Really? You did? Then
Well,
why
of course. They're right here. Jackhammer. See? Ooh. Okay, I'll try that next.
I want to try it.
You guys okay?
I don't feel very good.
Yeah.
Get
him holding the jackhammer. Get him holding the jackhammer.
Okay.
I'll film it. This guy. Get him holding the jackhammer. No, get that guy holding the jackhammer.
Hey, stop just lying around, you berserk. What?
News report. There's some robbers robbing the bank. Yeah, stupid TV. Hit the TV with the jackhammer. Ting!
The jackhammer exploded too. No, it didn't. Oh.
Jackhammer isn't
Not working.
last attempt. Try climbing over it.
Okay.
We're gonna have to boost him up. Take the bags. Take the bags.
I can't.
I'll throw them over. Got it. Dum dum dum. And in the vault.